Drummy, popped or cracked tiles. Sometimes you'll get to a job that has drummy, popped or cracked tiles. Here's a suggestion in what you can do. Cracked tiles. Most of the time the cracked tiles is less noticeable than the tile of the same size that does not match. Obviously, if the customer has leftover tiles, you can replace it with that. But if not, as long as the tile is still well adhered, simply apply the joint adhesive over the crack, sealing it up and scraping it back with the profile of the tile. Being careful not to leave any raised joint adhesive while still allowing it to bond on both sides of the tile. Popped tiles. For various reasons, tiles can pop off the surface, including tile adhesive that is skimmed during application, movement, and water damage. If the tile is popped off the surface, lift it up and check the integrity of the substrate below. If the substrate is spongy, further investigation might be warranted as the water damage will have occurred. In most cases, it will be fine. Clean the back of the tile, making it ready for new adhesive. Apply the joint adhesive to the back of the tile and re-adhere. The joint adhesive is super strong and a neutral cure, so you can grout it in immediately. Drummy tiles. Drummy tiles that is still stuck down. Sometimes you'll go to the site and the tiles will sound drummy, but are not lifting. If the grout is still intact, without cracking, then apply the membrane to the surface. If there is cracking to the grout but the tiles are not lifting, you can cut out the grout in the cross section of the grout joints and pump the section full of joint adhesive. This will re-adhere the tile to the substrate again. Re-grout the section in and wait the cure time before applying the membrane. This is a generalization, obviously, every site is different, so please take pictures and ask questions along the way if you're unsure.